Hey everyone, Craig here from Flowgrammer. Today I'm going to show you something game-changing. Docker has just released a new models feature in beta, and just in a couple of clicks, you can now spin up large language models right on your local machine. That means no more wrestling with complicated installs, dependency nightmares, or massive downloads. You'll be able to run powerful AI models like Llama, Mistral, and more using nothing but Docker, all in a matter of minutes. I'll walk you through exactly how to set it up, show you how easy it is to launch your first model, and share a few quick tips of getting the most out of your local AI model. If you ever want to experiment with LLMs on your own hardware without cloud costs or technical headaches, this is the video. Let's dive in. All right, so you're probably familiar with Docker. I'm at our Docker container home screen. And if you scroll down here, images, volumes, build, models, MCP toolkit, we'll be doing a video on MCP toolkit in a bit. Hub, Docker Scout extensions. But what we're interested in here is models. And as you can see, I'm already running a model here, but why don't we try and find a new model to run? I've been looking at this AI Gamma 3, and I think this will be great. It's 4.23 gig. It's a Gamma 3N. I'm also looking at that Quen model, but I've only got limited space right now. So let's pull this. And what I'm going to do right now is, as you can see, it's pulling it. It was about 4 gig. So we're going to just give it a minute, and I'm going to pause the video. And as soon as it's done, we'll get back to you. And it is right here. So let's spin up this model and run it. And we're in chat mode. Now, the first time you run it, it usually takes a little longer to respond because it has to load everything. Let me ask it a question. Tell me about yourself. I know this is simple, but it is a prompt that just works. They respond to it, and we get to see if everything is working properly. So if you look down here, it says RAM 1.3 gig, 0.12, it was 0.75% CPU. But this is a MacBook Air, and it's running, I think it's 10 CPU. So when you look at that CPU, it's a percentage of one CPU, so it can go up to a few hundred. And as you can see now, we're responding already. Not super quick, but hey there, I'm getting my large language model from Google DeepMind. I am open weights AI assistant, which means I'm available to the public to use. So is there anything specific we'd like to know? So we are now up and running locally with this just in a couple of clicks, and we're running this here. And we can now access this via N8N and API, and check out my next video to show how we're going to do that and how to set all that up and how to access it. Thanks very much for watching. We'll check you out next time. Or see you next time.